Hello YouTube, welcome to SethEkow TV. I welcome you all to this channel. If you are really new to this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button with the bell turned on, and also try and share this message to someone else. I've learned one thing about Ghanaians. We spread negative information outside more than a positive one. And I wish this message would go outside. This particular message is really good for the couples. It's a message made by Akosua Aboagye, one presenter in Peace FM. The message is really touchy, and I wish this particular message would trend. I've learned one thing also. We tend not to promote people who spread positive messages, but we tend to spread people who come out with negative messages. It's really not good, Ghanaians. It's really not good, Ghanaians. So let's react to this message.
Miniaba, enyama ye de solve problems ewa aware mu no. Nagging any complaining enka ho. Nagging any complaining say ya wo se wo kasa tenten. Ene betimi asesen wo kunu a eno enye anamoto papa eno emboa wo. Sesa wa kwan sesa wo strategy no. Efi say wo ma be ma sumdue. Na se wo ma be ma respecter. Obapa, wakodie na kuta wo no eye strong spiritual weapon. Enti enya wanwa so onyankopon asem ka kire ye say ye ma warefo yi ye mra ye ho asem ye nkurunom na ye mu wo mo efise nyankopon nim say sa wo fa sa weapon no a obedi nkonim emfa wo ne wo kunu suban emfa wo ne ade a wo to sini se wo de ahobrase ene ani die respect se wo de ma wo kunu a obapa me se wo bedi nkonim enti nagging ne kasa bebrebe no say proverbs kra ka say yesen ka wo betena bontene nsu ato agu so na broa sense wo no oba ntokopefo oba wo pekasa bebre oba wo nagi bebre ebetena enti nyankopon nim se oba wo pekasa bebre oba wo nagi bebre oba wo complain bebre no netena eya netena eya ahomete.
I hope we are really enjoying. She is really speaking the facts over here. She's really speaking facts and truth bombs over here. I've been getting countless of emails and messages where I said, this is what we are going through. This is what we are going through. And I thank God a woman is speaking. I am not speaking. There are certain things I can't talk about because I'm not married. But when I see someone who is married and talking about these things, I find joy in sharing it because they are in the position who could talk about it. It's unfortunate that this thing is happening to a lot of men in their marriages. It's so sad.
When to me muna ni nguni yama so be biara wo ho issue ema fie wo ye hot only sa wo ye oba fa hwe wadwum se me pese me fie eya asomdwe be me bia pe peace be me bia ne wo pe de na onyankopon he dwells in the midst of peace.
I don't know. I've been talking about this thing. I've been talking about this thing all the time. Say, remember you code. Our code is what? Peace. Every man wants a peaceful home. What I say, be maybe or yes sound be any sound man needs what? Peace. If you give a man his peace, you've won the battle. Trust me, you've won the battle. People think nagging would solve problem. Instead of nagging, teach the man. Teach the man. What I say, teach the man.
Baby asumdue wono eho na nyame wo baby asakasaka e wono nyame ya na oni ho was say God is not the author of confusion eti baby eho ye de baby eho ye sakasaka no onyankopon ni monyam God's glory no e ya na ebomo eti sa wo pese waware na se no onyame ni monyam ye kese wo so waware na se no onyame ensa ene na ni monyam dadia gisa wo ma asumdue ba fie ho enti oba mesre wo say emfa ho say wo kunu ye mistakes ye part of life mema wo kunu nye timid every say bema na wampema anko no wanhwiase a wontimi nya bibi ma ne ho enti manenya kokoduro na obeye mistake a wonye mistake na won sorry emma mistake na emma hu God will see you through. God will help you also live your life na live your dreams okunu wo mo ne bra ma so wo kunu ne bra na wo bo no wo mo ma wo wadwuma wo ye e na wo kunu so na dwuma wo ye enti se wo kunu no mpo ye mistake a e wo mo se mistake ne e ka mu nyina de a e to de bi edi nsunsuanso bi eba mo so na no so nche se mabrabo no aba wieye ana se no nche se wo kunu ni kwan so obobra e bra wa ye mfomso no eye nkranhye e na ho brase e na wo de beka ene ya nidie enti nagging no me message we come nagging wives e ma mo complain bebre e ma mo ntimi nkama no ntum me se kawa no tum kakra Bible say be a slow talker, okay, and be a quick listener, and be slow to become angry. And with the book of James, was it men kasa bebre nya botre oh every time a person will kasa ye slow talker. Nemo no person uti ama chese nya ebre yententem fati enti nagging no any complaining no hey obeba betom wa ha beba cho eno ensolve problem no weapon na nyankopon de ma wo fa nu ye adwuma na sa weapon no ene say bra wo ho ase respect be ma no so ho fa kasa de kasa se wonim kasa da oba hwe eya na se me kan sem bi obitimi kasa wo Akosua eya na wo ye critical e wo ma no so dodo na be se wo sa wo ye oba wo ye powerful onyame de akodie bia ma wasa wo so sa akodie na so wo so de be ye adwuma e beboa wo eni kwan sa wo ma watenka edi wanim kane watenka na emoa wo so yesi ma ye emotional emema nso ye emotional pa emema kora ne hwehwemu chese wo mo ye emotional kora se ma wo mo ye emotional ese ma na wo mo de no wo mo tena so wo mo mfansie o tori bi kora wo nka be be wo kora ye yi na dia wo ma na yiri kora hu se ye yi na di e so pese wo ye mmema sem na nso wo mu no omo mmre wo mu no omo mmre enti efanyansa ne tena ohu ne toto ne nkakra me se wo de fa kasade enye complain ne nagging ene ntokwa ene jejejeje no eno ema wo nwe ne da bia wo bedi ncho na emom se wo de ahobrase na wo de respect ema be ma no na wo de kasade ansampo na wo bebu sa wo kunu bibi na ya abo ho mpa ya ansa wate ene nyame nkasa ansa wo se awrade me pese me busa me kuna sem wo yi ebre ben na me musa no ebre ben na me ni nkomo eye ne nyame nkyekye nkomo ansa na wo bebie wano aka bibi a waka fese tora bia de wo beka na ehu hia anase efri watenkam nyame betimi am bie wani obe enlighten the eyes of your understanding. I will be problems differently. It your best remember they go through a lot. Bompaya ma wukruno. Senya memwano. Now we make good and godly decisions. Nemo no sa wa fomwa anaso otobi bi mo enya de. Fa eni die ni ahobrase etina ware na se mana sumje na asumje no ebeko ama.
Ah God. What a message. What a message. What a message. I thank God that we have someone speaking this out. I thank God. So let's please watch this thing again. And this time round, it's her only. Let me just give her the space. Yeah, let me give her the space to talk.
Miniaba, enyama ye solve problems. Ewa warimu no. Nagging any complaining enka ho. Nagging any complaining. Say ya wo se wo kasa tenten. Ene betimi asesa wukunu a eno enye anamotu papa eno emboa wo sesa wakwan sesa wo strategy no efi se wo ma be ma sumdue na se wo ma be ma respecter obapa wakodie na kuta wo no eye strong spiritual weapon enti enya wanwa so onyankopon asem ka kire ye se ye ma warefui ye mre ye ho asem ye nkurunom na ye mu wo mo efi se nyankopon nim se sa wo fa sa weapon no a obedi nkonim emfa wo ne wo kunu suban emfa woni ade a woto sini se wode ahobrase ene ani die respect se wode ma wokunu a obapa me se wo bedi nkonim enti nagging ne kasa bebrebe no se proverbs kra ka se yesen ka wo betena bontene nsu ato agu so na broa sense wonu oba ntokopefo oba wo pekasa bebre oba wo nagi bebre ebetena enti nyankopon nim se oba wo pekasa bebre oba wo nagi bebre oba wo complain bebre no netena eya ahomete wontimi mu nani mu niam so bi biara wo ho issue ema fie wo ye hot onim sa wo ye oba fa hye wadwum se me pese me fie eya asomdue be me bia pe peace be me bia ne wo pe de na onyankopon he dwells in the midst of peace be bia asomdue wo no eho na nyame wo be bia sakasaka e wo no nyame ya na oni ho wo say God is not the author of confusion eti be bia wo ye de be bia wo ye sakasaka no onyankopon ani munyam God's glory no eya na ebomo eti sa wo pese waware na se no onyame ani munyam ye kese wo so waware na se no onyame ensa ene na ni munyam daadia This a woman asumdue be fie ho enti oba mesre wo se and fahu say ukunu ye mistake, a mistakes ye part of life. Remember ukunu nye timid. Every say bema na wa mpema nkono wa hwiasia. Wontimi nye bibi ma ne ho. Enti manenya kokodro na obeye mistake, a wonye mistake na won sorry. And my mistake na emo hu. God will see you through. God will help you. You also live your life. Na live your dreams. Ukunu wa mo ne bra ma. So ukunu ne bra na wo bo no wo mo ma. Wo wadwuma wo ye e na ukunu so na dwuma wo ye. Enti sa ukunu no po ye mistake a e wo mo se mistake na e ka mo nyina de a e to na bi edi nsunsuanso bi eba mo so na no so nche se mabrabo na abawie ye anase no nche se ukunu ne kwan so obobra e bra wa ye mfomso no e ye nkranhye e na ho brase e na wo de beka ene anidie enti nagging no me message we come nagging wives e ma mo complain bebre e ma mo ntimi nkama no ntum me se kawa no tum kakra Bible say be a slow talker, okay, and be a quick listener, and be slow to become angry. And with the book of James, was it men kasa bebre nya botre oh edru time apesa wo kasa ye slow talker. Nemo no pese wuti ama chese nya ebre ye ntentem fati enti nagging no ene complaining no hey obeba betom wa ha me ba cho eno ensolve problem no weapon na nyankopon de ma wo no fa no ye adwuma na sa weapon no ene say bra wo ho ase respect be ma no so ho fa kasa de kasa se wonim kasa da oba hwe eya na se me kan sem bi obetimi kasa wo Akosua eya na wo ye critical e wo ma no so dodo me be se wo sa wo ye oba wo ye powerful onyame de akodie bia ma wasa wo so sa akodie na so wo so de be ye adwuma e beboa wo eni kwan sa wo ma watenka edi wanim kane watenka na emoa wo so yesi ma ye emotional emema nso ye emotional pa emema kora ne hwehwemu chese wo mo ye emotional kora se ma wo mo ye emotional ese ma na wo mo de no wo mo tena so wo mo mfansie o tori bi kora wo nka bebe bi kora ye yinadi wo ma na yiri kora hu se ye yinadi e so pese wo ye mmema sem nanso wo mu no omo mmre wo mu no omo mmre enti efanyansa ne tena ohu ne toto ne nkakra me se wo de fa kasade enye complain ne nagging ene ntokwa ene jejejeje no eno ema wo nwe ne da bia wo bedi ncho na emom sa wo de ahobrase na wo de respect ema be ma no na wo de kasade ansampo na wo bebu sa wo kunu bibi na ya bo ho mpa ya ansa wate ene nyame nkasa ansa wo se awrade me pese me busa me kuna sem wo yi ebre ben na me musa no ebre ben na me ni nkomo eye ne nyame nkyekye nkomo ansa na wo bebie wano aka bibi a waka fese tora bia de wo beka na ehu hia anase efiri watenkam nyame betimi am bie wani obe enlighten the eyes of your understanding. I will be problems differently. It ye best remember they go through a lot. Bompaya ma wukruno. Senya memwano. Now we make good and godly decisions. Nemo no sa wa fomwa anasa wa tobi bi mo enya enye de. Fa eni die ni ahobrase etina ware na se mana sumje na asumje no ebeko ama.
For this is one powerful message. This is a very powerful, like, it's the truth. It's really the truth. A lot of men are dying right now. You understand? They are dying right now. Many men are depressed right now. Even the surveys suggest a lot of men are dying right now more than women. The question is, what is happening? And the survey says men in relationship, men in marriages are more depressed than happy ones right now. No one loves a nagging person. No. Stop nagging. Stop nagging. And you be bia na also kasafa ho. You be bia sometimes bueni gu nyoma bi so. Everything you're complaining, it's no good. That's why you're making the man feel uncomfortable. When he goes out, he's not coming home. A lot of men prefer to stay outside than being in their house. It's unfortunate that this thing is happening and everyone is quiet about it. But thanks be to God, this woman has really spoken for men. God richly bless you, woman. Nyankopon nhyira pa baby bia wo bia. So we share video we ya Nyankopon nhyira. Because men are suffering silently. Trust me. And men are ebre. If you are part of this, if you're a woman and you are watching this thing and you nag, stop. Nagging kills more than what bullets. Trust me. It kills faster than bullets. So I hope this message will go out. Please share this message. If you're a man watching this, share this thing to your wife. Share this message to your wife. Share this message to your friend. We should reach a certain stage that we should try and share and spread the truth instead of this unnecessary videos. Now you spread it. The about boy in the panel, they will never spread it. Have a wonderful day. Till we meet again. A presto.